Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign also. So let's see what are your energies, Capricorns. So on your side we have the Page of Cups. Let's see what is on your person's side. What are the energies on your person's side, Capricorns? Eight of Pentacles. The most likely outcome. The most likely outcome. The King of Pentacles. Okay. So you are opening up emotionally and offering your love, or it's some sort of a proposal to this person. At least you are ready for that, or you want that. On your person's side we have the Eight of Pentacles. So this person is busy, focused and working hard on something, maybe their financial or stability, or maybe working hard on this relationship or some other aspect of your life, of their life. We'll clarify what that is. And as the most likely outcome we have the King of Pentacles. So seems to be a stable outcome and something which is going to stay, sort of. Let's see what that is. Why is this Page of Cups on your side, Capricorns? Why is this Page of Cups on your side, Capricorns? The King of Pentacles. So we have the King of Pentacles twice here. King of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, Three of Swords, the Death and Rebirth, seems something, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Let's see what is this Eight of Pentacles on your person's side. The Hermit, the Five of Pentacles, is something different, totally different, deep within. Eight of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Let's see, what is this King of Pentacles as the most likely outcome? Why is this King of Pentacles as the most likely outcome? The Lovers, the Nine of Wands, Page of Wands, and the Chariot. Okay. So Capricorns, what I feel is this is something energetic. That's what I feel. You want to open up emotionally and you want to offer your love to someone, but I really don't see that you are doing it. Though, okay, let's proceed. Because we have the King of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Death and Rebirth, and the Ten of Wheels. So what I feel is perhaps you opened up emotionally, can be that also, or you want to do that, but you are in a very good position. You are in a very good and abundant type of a position. You want to provide to this relationship, you want to invest in this relationship, but there is something which is still holding you back. Okay, so that is why what I feel is that you want to open up, but still you are in a dilemma, or you are still having some doubts and some confusions. You are still double-minded, I can say that. Okay, so you are just sitting back and trying to think about it. Should I not? Because there is something which is troubling you deep within. There is something, and you don't want to act in haste. You are pretty confident. You are not in a hurry of a relationship. Okay, you are not at all in a hurry to commit, or in a hurry of a relationship as such. And even if it is a relationship, you are in no hurry to open up emotionally. It's not you want to, but still you want to think about it n number of times before proceeding, and you are having that double mind for some reason. And what I feel here is this some reason is there is some agony, some pain, something is troubling you. There is something at the core of your heart which is making you or holding you back from this decision, or making you think and rethink. Okay. Okay, and what I feel here is that though you are still thinking that should you offer that cup, this cup of love. So most of you, the vibe which I'm getting here is it is that you want to do this, but you're still thinking about it. It's like that. But yes, this situation will end. You will come to a decision. You will be able to make up your mind, and maybe something has happened over here with the Three of Swords which is still troubling you, and you need to get over it. Okay, and maybe this pain, whatever this pain was, it has caused some sort of a, it has caused this relationship to end. Maybe it is a transition or a major change. Something is happening over here because of which something is ending. I mean, maybe you're not even talking to this person at this point in time. That's what I'm saying. Maybe some heartbreak, because of this heartbreak, maybe this relationship is temporarily withheld. It can be that also. Okay, and maybe you are trying to reconnect, or you want to reconnect, or maybe even if it is not disconnected, but still you are thinking about it, because there is something deep within your heart which you have to take care of before opening up. It's something like that. Okay, but that thing will gradually be over, and things will change for the better. That's what I feel. This is a major transition. This is a major transition. So maybe you are thinking, because you know that where the place where you are, if you make a decision to commit, then things, that will be a major change of your life. It can be that also. So something here needs to end before proceeding to the next. Okay, so if you open up emotionally, something has to end to move forward. Okay, now what has to end is already the cause of your pain. Okay, and you don't want to have that pain once again, and maybe that is what is making you think and rethink. Okay, on your person's side, we have the Eight of Pentacles. So this person is, I think, trying to keep themselves busy for some reason and trying to build on themselves. This person, I really don't see both of you are talking much. That's what I feel. I really don't see there is any commitment as such. I don't think so. Energetically, I really don't see there is any commitment. You are also thinking, should I not? Because you know it is a major change. Okay, as I've already told you. And here this person is busy in their own life. That's what I feel. Busy focusing on their financial stabilities and something like that. I really don't see any sort of a emotional aspect. Maybe even they are unaware that they have got your side. It can be as simple as that also. Okay, maybe they are unaware. I'm not sure, but maybe they are unaware of their emotions. Okay, but they may be unaware of some aspect of this relationship, maybe the commitment, or maybe the thing is that since you are not opening up emotionally, that is why this person is busy trying to focus on their work. It can be that also. Okay, I'm saying that this maybe this person knows, also maybe they know about it, because they don't know that you will open up emotionally, and that is what makes them depressed. Okay, and this person is just working, trying to be alone, spending time alone, and this person is trying to heal, and this person is also trying to sort of spend that time alone, trying to listen to their inner voice and just meditating as to what's happening, what's going to happen, and deep within somehow they are depressed also. They feel rejected. Okay, though they are not showing it to you, but the energy of this person is of solitude. This person is alone, they are just working, and then it's like they're spending time alone sort of, and deep within they are trying to, it's like when a person is sort of it's like after a breakup, then one person tries to, there are certain aspects, certain phases that sometimes you're sitting there and just thinking about it, and sometimes you're just depressed and crying. It's whatever it is, it's something like that. That is the vibe which I'm getting. So this person is just focusing on work and is just trying to heal, or just trying to come out of it. It's that phase. Okay, and maybe actually there was a breakup, because we have the Three of Swords here. Okay, but the thing is that with the Eight of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles, this person really wants to communicate. This person really wants to communicate with you, but maybe they are not communicating. Maybe they are just thinking. They are just thinking as to should I not, but they are trying to heal. So this is in this energy, this person is trying to focus on their work and trying to heal, and just trying to focus on themselves. Okay, and what I feel here is this person is just thinking about that, should I or should I not have a new beginning with this person. This is a new beginning with the Ace of Pentacles. So this person is also just thinking, they want to communicate, they are upset, they want to communicate to you, but they're still just holding back. Should I not? And but they do want to have a new beginning with you, and they really want to open up, and they really want to offer whatever they are building to you. Here with the Eight of Pentacles, whatever they are working hard on, they just want to offer this to you. They just want to tell you that no, this is what I have built up. Now I am fine, now I am better, I am in a good shape, and everything is okay, and let's start again. Okay, as far as the most likely outcome with the King of Pentacles, what I feel here is for that we have the Lovers, the Nine of Wands, the Page of Wands, and the Chariot. So what I feel here is this is a relationship which has a ground. It's I really don't see. Maybe then your people are going through a breakup, some sort of a breakup, a temporary breakup, not a permanent one. Okay, maybe some, but there is anyway, even if it is not a breakup, and if it is a new relationship also that you want to, or you're just thinking of opening up emotionally, whatever the case, the chemistry is too much. A lot of passion is there, a lot of love is there, a lot of attraction is there for each one of you, for both of you, for each other, I should. Okay, so and then we have the Nine of Wands, the Page of Wands, and the Chariot. So what I feel here is that it's this relationship. Somebody here is waiting since a long time, and what I feel is this person here is waiting since long with the Nine of Wands. This person is just waiting and waiting that when will you open up. Perhaps that is what this person is waiting for. And then we have the Page of Wands and the Chariot. So what I feel is that yes, I think whosoever this person has to open up, this person is ultimately going to open up, and with the Chariot, finally the things will get rolling pretty fast. Okay, so what I feel is once they make up their mind to open up, and once they make up their mind to get rid or sort of forget this Three of Swords and this painful condition, they know this has to end. Once they are able to make that decision, everything will be on track. Things will change for the better. So let's see what is the message from the universe for this reading for Capricorns. Like attracts like. Number 2 may be of some significance for you. Like attracts like. If you long for more love, be more loving and be childlike. Be to your innocent self. Just forget, like a child, just forget whatever has happened. Forget and forgive and move on. So Capricorns, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.